Kim.
I'm Edith, and I've got Lookfantastic. It's really hard to see that.
And we're filming 3 videos back to back. Today's Monday, April 12th, and we're trying to get them all uploaded hopefully today. So if you don't see these all the same day, then it means I didn't do my job.
Bright pink box. Yeah, so it's pink.
Or there's the one that has a saying on it. I can't remember.
I feel like it is. Let your dreams blossom.
Yeah.
Does it change the saying?
Yeah.
I feel like sometimes it's the same saying, if that makes sense. And then this is just what it looks like when I hold it up. If you could see that pretty model on the front, it says it's time to blossom. I like that this is like a substantial book that like probably gives you a bunch of stuff that she'll tell you about.
Let's see, what should I... It says fastback squalene. What is it? A derivative of squalene, a substance that makes up 10 to 12% of your skin's oils. Squalene is a highly effective emollient and antioxidant for your skin.
Who knew? So I was gonna say the first thing I have, it's weird, it just like hangs, but is gloves, Scrub-X exfoliating accessory for soft and kissable lips. And if you hear any scratching noise, that's her dog outside.
One of my dogs.
I'm outside the room. And then I have, it says reusable fibers, glue included, 18-hour hold. It's like, holding backwards. Eyeliner Fluttery Light lashes. I do like lashes. I just barely ever wear them. They tend to like, even if I'm trying to be careful, they tend to fall out my real lashes.
The glue, right? I think.
But yeah, I think
the
it's
glue
included.
That's nice.
So that's cool. And then plant-based range, Rose Infused Sheet Mask by Beauty Pro, calming and hydrating. So there's that. I have a million sheet masks, so I literally was like, I need to start using them more often. And then I think I already have this product. It's Rin's Ever Calm Global Protection Day Cream. I'm pretty sure I'm still like using the one I have. So, but I am almost out of that one. So maybe eventually I'll actually get to this one. And then I have a Be Your Incredible Self with Nails Ink London. And I love polishes, I do, but we get our nails usually professionally like done. So this can totally go in a giveaway. It's a pretty color. It's like a light pink. It's almost like my nail color. That's weird, but it's really pretty. And lastly, I have Avant's Pink Orchid Hyaluronic Glycerin. I was gonna say glycerin White Peony Serum. A serum, cool. I actually could use a serum right now. I think the only one I have is like a primer serum, and that's pretty much it at the moment.
Did you get the Bella Pierre? Did I miss it? Did you get that in the beginning and I wasn't paying attention? Or is it either or?
No, it's probably either or.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because I just 1, 2, 3,
So
4,
you
5,
got
6.
1.1 or you got 1.2?
I got 1.2.
Yeah.
But yeah, I kind of like the items. So at least it gave a little bit of everything. Especially eyelashes. I don't get that many, and just in case
you ever want to wear them.
Yeah, and they're not too obvious. They're like a natural
And
look.
it did say on that exfoliant for the mouth, it says do not use Scrub-X more than once every 4 days. And then wash it in a washing machine at 40 degrees. Just as a tip.
Interesting. And I don't know if I'll use that. We'll see. But if this video is fast enough for you, give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to know about our future giveaways like the one we'll have listed down below. And we'll catch you in our next video.
Take care.
Bye.